Whosoever watches this channel, if he or she be worthy, shall acquire the knowledge from High Road Comics.
What is going on, YouTube? Errol here from High Road Comics, and today is Funko Friday. So let's go ahead and check it out. Stay tuned right after I show you these Funkos that I got. I'm also going to show you a mystery package that I got that apparently I've had for 3 weeks and I didn't know that I have, so I don't even know what's in it, so it's going to be a surprise to me. But I'm going to go ahead and put it into this Funko Friday. So first off, so I walked into Hot Topic and they have that 3 for $27 sale still, and you know, it's not really a sale because it just brings it down to the regular retail price. But yeah, 3 for $27, $9, not bad, plus tax. But my discounts and my hot cash. But anyway, Troy Barnes, Community, one of my favorite TV shows ever. You may remember him from such hit movies such as Spider-Man, Homecoming, and some other great stuff right there. But Troy Barnes, I gotta get Abed, and definitely Ben, and then the rest. I can't keep getting all these commons. I usually get just the stickers. Speaking of which, I got this box lunch exclusive Ariel from The Little Mermaid. Sorry, kind of in a rush. And then I got this Jack Skellington Day of the Dead Hot Topic exclusive number 15. I don't even see that on the bag. Yeah, pretty dope. I still need Dapper Jack, so if you have one for sale, please let me know in the comment section below. And then, ooh, box damage. I got number 447, Jack Skellington. Also, so no, they're not the same pop. Whoops. Check it out. Sorry about the glare, sorry about the lighting. It's late night. And yeah, I think I have a problem. And then finally, I got this nice Avengers Endgame. Let me do a slow roll. Surprisingly, no box damage. Avengers number 478. Hulk holding, spoiler alert, the Infinity Gauntlet. I kind of want to take it out of the box, but I won't. Can't even see it on the box. It's kind of lame. Oh, there you can. Yeah, 6-inch. So how big is 6 inches compared to the 3.75 inch? It's that big. All right. So now, the moment I've been waiting for. Purple Turtle Comics. Man. Had I known I had this, I would have opened it 3 weeks ago. So, what's Purple Turtle? I think I've had something from Purple Turtle before. Alright. Dude, one of these days I'm gonna cut myself. Gemini mailer. Gotta love it. Speaking of cutting, before I show you what's in this, check out, I don't know if you can see it, but on the back, because it came through Amazon, I cut like kind of deep. You can't see it. There it is. A little slit right there. That's why I might not cut anymore when we're cutting. Wow, what is this? What is this? And what is Purple Turtle? Nice little wrapping paper. It's like a Christmas present. Bending the comic just a little bit. Alright. Thank you for shopping with Purple Turtle Comics. Please let us know if you have any problems and we'll be happy to help. Thanks again, Purple Turtle. I don't remember doing this, but now I do. I guess I will do this reveal on a separate video. I gotta research first if I'm able to open these. So I got Faithless number 1, the Tula Lotte Erotica variant, and yeah. So that's all I got. This is Errol, and I kind of want to open it. Should I? I don't want to open it yet. I gotta check out the rules. I might have to put it on Facebook. Wait, I don't think you could do it there either. Might have to do it on the Instagram. I don't know. I'll see you at the next stop. Have a good weekend.